This video is made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for offering high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable, fresh from the farm gate to your plate. Today I'm going to be using their corn-fed French yellow chicken to cook Singapore's national dish. What's up you guys, Kiliancha here, and today is the second episode of our cooking video, and I'm gonna be recreating Singapore's national dish, and they call it Hainanese Chicken Rice. It's very simple, but the umami flavor is always present in every bite. So I'm gonna be cooking the Hainanese chicken, the poached one, and then I'm gonna make a deep fried version, which is what they call chicken cutlet here. I'm gonna be using a corn-fed chicken from Farmers Market Singapore, and it's a free-range, antibiotic-free and hormone-free chicken we're gonna be using to elevate our chicken rice experience. I can't wait, let's get cooking. Hainanese chicken rice is poached chicken and seasoned rice served with chili sauce, soy sauce, and garnished with cucumber. It was created by immigrants from Hainan and southern China and adapted from the Hainanese dish Wenchang chicken. It is the national dish of Singapore and as well consumed in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Today I'm going to be recreating this very simple yet tasty dish, and I'm going to call this episode A Taste of Comfort. First thing we're gonna do is prepare the corn-fed chicken. Remove some of the skin and save it to make some chicken oil later. Then rub it generously with salt. Make sure to tie it up like this so you can easily transfer the whole bird to an ice bath after cooking. Next, chop some ginger with skin on. Put it in the pressure cooker together with the green onions, salt, and water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add in the chicken and take it out. Keep doing this for 2 to 3 minutes so the skin won't break. Then cook it for 12 minutes and let it steam for 20 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to cook, we will make the 3 sauces to go with the chicken: the spring onion oil, soya sauce, and chili sauce. Let's start with the spring onion oil. Cut the spring onions in half, save the green part for the soup, and cut the remaining part for the sauce. Mix it with grated ginger. Heat up some sesame oil and add it to the mix. Enjoy the sizzle and the wonderful aroma. Next is the soya sauce. Put together some dark soy, sweet soy, and light soy. Add in a few sesame oil, mix, and adjust according to your preference. Lastly, the quintessential chili sauce. Grate some ginger, garlic, and chili. Mix everything together and use mortar and pestle if it's available. In my case, I am pressing it with knife to merge all the flavors together. Then add some brown sugar, salt, a squeeze of lemon, and finish it off by adding the chicken broth. Mix and adjust according to your preference. That's how you do the 3 sauces. Now, let's get back to the bird. After 12 minutes of pressure cooking and 20 minutes of steaming, transfer the chicken to a bowl filled with ice water immediately. Doing this process stops the chicken from cooking, locks in all the juices, and gives the chicken skin a better texture and golden color. Once the chicken is cooled down, transfer it to a tray and massage with sesame oil. Chop evenly and set aside. It's time to make the star of the show, the seasoned rice. Remember the chicken skin we saved? Bring it out and fry it until golden. Then finally chop some ginger, garlic, and onions. Saute everything together in the tasty chicken oil. Transfer it to the rice pot and mix well. Then add the umami-filled chicken broth with the pandan leaf knot and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. While waiting for the rice to cook, we'll prepare the chicken cutlet. Coat the corn-fed chicken breast with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs, and deep fry until golden brown. Cut it evenly and set aside. Look at this, guys. The seasoned rice is finally cooked. Love the steam and the aroma coming out of it. Now, This is the part where we assemble every single element of the dish. Start with the poached chicken, cucumbers, tomatoes, seasoned rice, and chicken cutlet. Put all three sauces together with the chicken soup on the side, and voila! My version of Hainanese chicken rice. Alright, the feast has just begun. So we're done cooking the poached chicken as well as the deep fried chicken cutlet. So we have prepared the sauces. So we have here the leeks with ginger and the sesame oil. We have here the chili sauce, which has some ginger, garlic, sugar, salt, most especially the broth from the chicken. And then we have here the soy sauce mix with dark soy, sweet soy, and sesame oil. And then we have here the chicken soup. It is our first time trying to recreate this chicken, and I'm pretty proud of what we've done. We have used the pressure cooker. We have cooked the chicken for like 12 minutes in the pressure cooker, and then we left it there for like 20 minutes, and then straight to the ice bath with salt. And after it's cooled down, then we chopped it up, as well as the chicken cutlet with the star of the dish, which is, I believe, the rice, because all of the flavor from the stir frying as well as the chicken skin that we fried earlier, everything is in here in this rice. So I arranged it with some tomatoes, some cucumbers, and some crispy chili garlic that I fried the other day. Can't wait to try it. Let's dig in. Maybe let's try to start with the chicken. Look at the skin of this chicken. The color is super yellow, even though I haven't put in the sesame oil yet, because this chicken is corn-fed chicken. It has been bred of corn. This one, you can see it produces that kind of yellow color, and as well as it's gonna be different when it comes to the taste of it. So let's see about the taste. Oh wow, all the flavor when we poached it, when we boiled it, it is mild, but everything is in there. And then you can taste that natural MSG flavor that comes from the bones of the chicken. And this chicken, by the way, is also free range. It roams freely outside. It is antibiotic free and hormone free. The company who produces this aims for a socially responsible growing of the chicken. So this has been gradually growing in the farms. This chicken has been born, raised, slaughtered, and processed in France from the brand Seville, I believe. Farmers Market produces this here in Singapore as well as in Hong Kong. Let's try one more. Actually, I want to put it on my rice. Alright, this is gonna be a super duper huge bite. Cheers. The rice is the star of Hainanese chicken rice. All the flavors are inside of this, in every single grain of the rice. It's so fluffy. Then the oil that we used earlier from the chicken skin, you can taste everything in there. Oh yeah, let's get one more bite. Perfectly cooked chicken breast with the glistening yellow skin. Let's put some of the crispy chili garlic that I cooked. Get some triple combo dip. I cannot believe that I'm having home-cooked Hainanese chicken rice. It's so good. I wouldn't question why. This is the national dish of Singapore. It's like the adobo of the Philippines or the nasi lemak of Malaysia. It is a quintessential dish in every local's life here in Singapore. So let me try the katsu. Perfectly golden, deep fried with that panko bread. We put some seasoning in there in the batter, and then also drenched it with and also coated it with egg before putting the panko and deep frying it. Let's try to take a bite of that. Purely chicken breast as well. This one is also a corn-fed chicken, free-range chicken. Rice. Winner combo. So I made two different kinds of chicken because not all would pick the white chicken so that we have variety. So we have this kind of like a clean tasting ginger infused chicken, and we have this deep fried oily goodness. So we have the best of both worlds. Dip it in the triple combo. Look at that color. Green, red. So flavorful. Very simple chicken that is moist and tender. You have this rice that is the star of the dish, and you have this triple sauces that kind of binds everything together, makes it like a full meal, gives you all different kinds of textures and flavors and savoriness and spiciness and the earthiness and the freshness. Everything is in this dish right here. Let's take some of the broth. Oh, so comforting. This has been a staple for me. You don't have much spices. There's no curry, coconut milk, so it's not heavy. It's not cloying. So this is something that I can say that this dish is something that I can eat every single day. It's very flavorful, but not spicious. Chicken rice, I'm so proud we're able to make it. It's my first time cooking with a corn-fed chicken, and I would say it looks and tastes different. If you are interested, you may go and have it yourself. If you care about using meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable, then you may try to get this from farmersmarket.com.sg. It has been established in Hong Kong, and here in Singapore they recently entered the market last year. They have been sourcing from Australia and Europe from different suppliers. So this one specifically is a French chicken. So yeah, I think that's the end of this vlog. I'm really happy that we were able to make this. If you want to request some more recipes, because I'm going to be filming 2 more cooking videos, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe some shrimp or prawn dish or salmon. Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on the next episode here in Singapore.